Hello, my name is Solomon Ashe, co-founder and CEO of BlocksCAD. We've all read the headlines about how our schools aren't preparing our students for the jobs of the future. And as a former teacher myself, I can tell you one of the roots of this problem is that we're not getting kids excited and engaged enough in key math and coding and curriculum issues at an early enough age. Kids need to be excited about what they're learning, and they simply aren't. And now, the politicians and the state legislatures are getting involved. Recently, states have started passing laws requiring that all students be taught computer science. Last year, 18 states had laws on the books requiring that every student learn some form of computer science starting in kindergarten. And now, if you talk to teachers and if you talk to school leaders, they'll tell you how, if you ask them how they're going to teach students in elementary and middle school computer science, they're struggling to find answers to make it engaging and really engage students. The answer? BlocksCAD. With BlocksCAD, students as young as 8 are writing code to create unique models of their own design that can be printed on any 3D printer or visualized in an AR and VR environment. And yet BlocksCAD isn't challenging enough to engage high school students and beyond. This is an example of a snowflake design that a 6th grade student did using computational thinking and math concepts. And here's an example of that very model that that student made that was printed on a 3D printer. I have here in my pocket here. That student made this and 3D printed it. Now I'm going to show you a short video about how students and teachers use BlocksCAD.
It's really useful to like an intro to coding because it's very simple and it's cool because not only do you learn to code, but you also see it like come to life because you can see it in 3D.
To learn the program, it can get fairly complex. So like once like you need that like boost, like you know, like the extra challenge, it's great.
Hey, Steve Waterman here in the WebHeads Classroom. Today is our 3D creation day. We're using the wonderful BlocksCAD program. We got over here, Brody. Oh, look at that cool, look at his head, nicely done.
Es una herramienta muy fácil para cualquier persona que lo quiera utilizar, ya sean niños o gente ya grande.
I love coding and this is coding. I love this so much. This is so cool.
And BlocksCAD is having a profound impact on education. We have over 180,000 users worldwide, and this year we started selling our SaaS subscription service and started selling to schools across the country, including this past spring, a $50,000 subscription sale to Clark County in Nevada, the nation's 5th largest school district. We're able to achieve this fantastic growth by working with partners such as Code.org and the GE Foundation, as well as hardware manufacturers, 3D printer companies, and education resellers who have recognized BlocksCAD value in driving student learning and helping teachers teach difficult subjects like math, computer science, and engineering. Our sales process is focused on states where computer science is now a requirement, and we're targeting large and medium-sized districts and speaking with state and level district leaders where we're offering lesson plans and activities that align with existing math curriculum, where we're selling services at $4 to $5 per student per year, which fits into existing school budgets for math supplementals, where states have already spending an on average $29 per student per school year. Our team is made up of all experienced teachers, as well as individuals who have worked in the ed tech industry. We're supported by mentors who have built ed tech companies in the past, as well as those who have worked and have experience in working in education and can open doors and contacts for us to reach those school-level administrators. BlocksCAD occupies a unique space in the ed tech market, as we're the first product that combines math, coding, and design. Teachers love what BlocksCAD can do in their class and tell us how their students are excited and engaged, and how students respond, some of them, for the first time into these difficult subjects where otherwise they've been disengaged and disconnected. We're now seeking a seed round of $450,000 so that we can hire more sales support, so that we can take advantage of the opportunity that's presenting itself now as these states are passing these legislation to require computer science. Thank you very much for the opportunity to present on BlocksCAD today, and for more information, please visit us after the presentations. Thank you.